Guys, when Israel was established, it was after the Turks and the British were here. Sadly, the Ottomans, the Turkish of today, destroy all the forest of Israel to create kind of the rail. That was a competition between Britain and the Turks. And by that, when Israel was established, it was naked. Then the JNF, Keren HaKayemet Israel, bought a lot of that land and then planted trees. Israel planted more than 250 million trees all over Israel, and by that create a beautiful forest. Sadly, from time to time, that forest was set on fire like 2 weeks ago, and so many trees were burned down. We, the Israelis, are planting trees every day actually, but especially on January. And let me show you something that well, it's something sad that actually happened here. Oops. When someone set it on fire, most of the trees were burned down. Look at the marks of that tree. Happily, that tree survived. And I'm bringing families from all over the world to plant trees in Israel and to create the new forests. And let me show you that we are planting a lot of those trees. Remember that place was burned down. And there's a drip irrigation system to help the trees to grow. For example, that cypress tree is one of the trees that was planted, let's say, 2 weeks ago. But you can see the new ones right here. And guess what? It's not part of the Bible. You can see that they're planting trees there. We planted 5 trees in Israel today. And I'm not surprised to know that we do have a special prayer for that. Heavenly Father, those who build us, Zion and Jerusalem, take pleasure in the land and bestow, open it, and etc., etc., etc. This is the prayer. I will read it to you a little bit in Hebrew, then we are praying together. Avinu shebashamayim. It sounds like a father, a very important play, a very well-known prayer. Then Avinu shebashamayim, our Father in heaven. בונה ציון וירושלים מכונן מלכות ישראל, רצה אדוני ארצך והשפע לה מטוב חסדך, שתנתה לברכה וגשמי רצון אורד בעיתם. And as you can see, new trees are here. We planted them at the forest of Modi'in. Modi'in, it's the village of the Maccabees, the Hashmonite, the priest families that stopped the Greek emperor, 2nd century BC, from destroying the Jewish temple and the Jewish land, and we established Israel again. That's happened 2nd century BC. Then you can see the future of Israel. When you will come back to here, it's going to be an amazing barbecue area. And that's what most of the Israelis are using it. Guys, thank you for being with us here. Thank you for planting with us the trees in Israel. Thank you for your comments, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.